Hi, welcome to the Southern Mountain Kitchen. Today we're making pecan pie. This is a quick and easy recipe to make the pie. It really isn't that hard to do. So let's get started. Add 1 cup of Karo syrup. You can either use light or dark. You probably need a spoon if you have this in a container to pour into your large bowl because it will stick to the sides. Add 1 cup of granulated sugar. Stir this into your syrup until it's well blended. Now you're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter that's melted. Add 3 eggs. And stir until the eggs are completely broken up and mixed throughout. To this, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. I eyeballed it, so if you want to measure this out, go for it. Once this is mixed through completely, you're going to prepare to add your pecans. You're going to need 1.5 cups, which is 6 ounces. A lot of people like to use whole pecans on top of the pie. It really isn't that necessary unless you choose to. You need the chopped up ones for this version of the recipe because you're going to mix them in with the syrup mixture and keep adding until you have them thoroughly mixed through. I would pour them a little at a time and until you mix it up. With this mixture, you're going to need a 9-inch unbaked or frozen deep dish pie crust, which you're going to pour the mixture into. No baking, just pour it straight into the pie shell. Preheat your oven at 350 degrees. You're going to bake this for 45 to 50 minutes. I would suggest putting it onto a cookie sheet when you put it in the oven so that way it doesn't boil over or dirty your oven. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Have a good one.